Hi, how are
How are
you?
you today?
Good. How are you?
At 30?
Yeah. So I think it's this one.
Yeah.
Are you taking this too?
Yeah, it says we are. Do I want to? No.
Yeah. Don't blame you.
I just hate AC for some reason. It's hard to check. So,
Are you in the refrigerator?
we don't have to carry it. We don't. So, it's just very awkward, every one of them.
Yeah.
But, we put them inside. Yeah, I gotta get some of these first. Oh, that's real good. It's actually cool. Use the 5200 or 22. What was it? Oh, no, it's a cat. You were a cat.
Oh, well, let's go with it.
Nah, that was probably just something sitting on top of the
All right.
refrigerator. We don't need it anyway. Oh, yeah, it's a crazy morning.
Lot of refrigerators to pick up.
Well, I went to Dunkin' Donuts this morning to get, my bag on cream cheese like I do every morning. Come out, my tire was flat.
Oh God.
So I'm like, all right, whatever, you know what I mean? You change, it is what it is. People have flats, change. I changed it, got all the way to work and realized I lost my wallet while changing it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so I'm having one hell of a crazy
Yeah.
day. And I asked my buddy out there to lend me $10 so I can get lunch. He was like, oh no, I don't lend people money. I've been working with him for 5 years. And then he had the audacity to stop at Wawa
And get something.
and get something to eat right in front of me. And he got his lunch as well, like same time. So it's gonna be a long day for me with no lunch money.
Seriously. Do they find your wallet or you
No, I went back. That's why I should have been to you probably an hour ago. But I went back after I realized it. I told him, I said, dude, I got to run back just to make sure it's not there. Went all the way back. They said, no. I went into Dunkin' Donuts. They said nobody came in with it. I spent a half hour on the phone, canceling all my credit cards. Lost, I think it was $97 that was in there.
No. Quite a way to start the week.
Oh my God, it was horrible.
Shit.
And now I got to watch him eat lunch.
Right.
Because I had no money in my pocket.
Want a protein shake?
No,
Sure.
I'm positive, thank you. You need to sign this thing? Just gonna stop watching the meat line. I'm already starting to get hungry, I can feel myself getting cranky. Big guy pushing me to eat. Becky, thank you very much. Here is your receipt. Your receipt will check in the mail for 6 weeks.
Thank you, appreciate it. Hope your day gets better.